Question here. This question is taken from June 2012. And it says, find the positive integers x and y such that the square root of x plus the square root of y all square is equal to 16 plus the square root of 240. Pause the head, go right ahead and pause it and attempt this question. Now to do this question, right, let's look at the left-hand side. So the left-hand side is the square root of x plus the square root of y all square. Now, if you were to expand the bracket, it's going to be first term square plus twice the product of the two, which is 2 times the square root of xy, plus second term square. All right, now I hope you would have been looking out and realize that you can say, sir, but the square root of x squared is not x squared. So that is off right there. That should just be x. Now, if you spotted that, very good. Hey! So now, look at this now. So this is what our left-hand side simplifies to be. It simplifies to be x plus y plus 2 times the square root of x times y. That's what our left-hand side really is. Now let's have a look at our right-hand side in the color black. Now this is saying 16 plus the square root of 240. I know that I can break up 240 as maybe 60 times 4. So this is the square root of 4 times the square root of 60. Now the square root of 4 is 2. So the right-hand side is really 16 plus square root of 4 is 2, and this is 2 root 60. So look at this. So the left-hand side is really x plus y plus 2 root xy, and the right-hand side is really 16 plus 2 times the square root of 60. What does that mean? That means that the numbers without the square root, the x plus y, must be equal to the 16. So we can write down that implies x plus y must be equal to 16. And it also implies that from the square root part of it, the 2 root xy must be equal to the 2 root 60. And from this side, if we cancel the 2's and square both sides, we're literally saying then that x times y must be 60. So now we get a simultaneous equation to solve. X plus y equals 16 and x times y is 60. Now you may go ahead and solve the equation, but this is pretty much straightforward because we know the only option this can be is either x equals 10 and y equals 6, because 10 plus 6 is 16 and 10 times 6 is 60. Or the next option is the x is 6 and the y is 10. All right, so that's your answer. All right, so those are your possible solutions. X equals 10, y equals 6, or x equals 6 and y equals 10. We didn't necessarily need to solve the equation simultaneously because I think that it's pretty obvious that it's 10 plus 6 and 10 times 6. All right?